Hello everyone, it's Sanura. I just wanted to share a loving, friendly message to all of you before we begin our video today. Our children are such a beautiful gift and blessing from our Heavenly Father, and it's truly important to nurture them while they are growing inside their mother's womb, through birth, and continuing that love and wholesome nourishment all through their childhood on. My niece, who is actually a cancer survivor, she's now age 6 and she's fully healed and eating a healthy organic diet. Her and I made some fun videos as she homeschools and my sister teaches her beautifully. She just has so much fun homeschooling with her mommy and her daddy. And we created a few videos together of making some healthy treats. And we'd love to share them with you. So if you'd like, our video is coming up next.
This is what they look like when you done them. So all you need is as many dates as you want. You just cut them, then you roll them. Then you just get honey, you roll them in the honey. Then you just roll them in coconut, then you sprinkle cinnamon on the top. You put them on your serving plate, then you're done. Now, I just started kind of hard. I'm just using a butter knife to cut this. Step is to roll them into balls, which is going to be pretty close, but okay. Ouch. I'm doing it. Just doing it. So we rolled the balls, and now we're going to be, step 3, we need to put the honey and coconut on here, and we need to roll them in. So, let's do it. Step number 4. We're going to be rolling the date balls into the honey and then the coconut, then onto the serving plate. So let's start doing this. This is going to be gross. You know I love honey. It'll be gross for everyone. Honey in my hand. One is done onto the serving plate. Okay. Date balls again. So we'll just see you guys in the next. Sprinkle some. Step number 5 with the date balls, we're going to be putting some cinnamon on it. So let's start. Oh, this is going to be delicious. We're still sprinkling on this. And now we're done. So let's go show them. Everyone's going to love it. It's raining coconuts! Out, out, boom, boom, boom. Ah!
Hi everyone, it's Sanura Moon. I want to give a great big thank you and love to all my supporters and everyone checking out my videos and my organic skincare line at urbanicobeauty.com, health and wellness, sanuramoon.com, and joining me in talking about our spiritual life, serving our Heavenly Father Yahweh in heaven through His Son Yeshua. I want to send love and blessings and prayers to all of you. Thank you so much.